Another video to help you how to complete the assignments. This time I'm going to ask you to go to this class called Poly. Poly is going to be your new class. So if you click on that class, you will start looking at the assignments. This is the first assignment for Monday on the 13th when we come back from break. And as always, make sure you read all the instructions to make sure that you complete everything. It says for you to watch the video to see one of the many ways we will turn in completed work for your classroom. So the video is not right here because right now I'm creating that video. But if you look at this, if you open this, this is the assignment that you're supposed to complete, page number 3 and page number 4 as well. You also have page number 4 here. You have more pages, but you're supposed to only complete 3 and 4 for this assignment. You can print it or you can do your work on your notebook, and when you're ready to turn it in, you have two options. You can either click this the document I created, or you can create your own document. You can, if you put add or create, you can click on here and add pictures from your phone. Same thing if you open the one I created for you, that's the document that it's ready for you to input your answers. Let me see if I can go to 200 so we can see how we can change this. See these boxes? This is where you edit and you put your name. I'm just gonna put my cat's name. Of course, he is from CSULA, and this assignment percent packet number 324. Once you do that, I already changed that. I can make it, maybe I can make it a little bit smaller so I can see what I'm doing. Maybe 100. Right here I will be inputting one of the pictures that I created. So from here you can go to insert an image. I uploaded from I can have it in my computer or my Google Drive or from my photos or from your camera. You can actually take a picture from the computer camera or from your phone. If you're going to use your phone, use this. Right now I uploaded this to my computer and they should be on my computer. So give me a second. I have this. I believe this is page number 3. I choose it and I turn it in. So as you complete this, I mean, you can resize this picture so it can fit the screen, and I should be able to see it. So corner to corner, and I can expand this a little bit more if I wanted to. I don't want to go too much, and this is fine. You can leave it right here. I can see everything right here. Now if I want to go to picture number 2, this one right here, another time, this is for page number, that was page number 3. You can insert another image. I'm going to upload it from my computer. I believe that's this one right here. I'm going to choose it, and it's right here. As soon as I get it, I'm just going to click on it, and I will be resizing this picture from this corner, make it a lot smaller right now. So let me move it a little bit more into the frame, resize it a little bit. I don't want to see that insert picture, so I'm going to put it in the middle. And that is basically, you are done with this here. And it right here, it says turn it in, and make sure you turn it in. It says one attachment will be submitted for Monday, blah, blah, blah. And you can check right here to see if you have the right document, which is this one. All right, this is what you're turning in, so make sure that you are correct. So yes, you're right. So Let's go back and say turn it in, and I should receive this within seconds. From my point of view, I will be going to this classroom, the Cal Poly classroom. I will open the assignment, and I will see the work so I can give it a grade. So I already went to this assignment and I gave it a grade after seeing uh, the work that you completed. This is the way it looks for me. I can always zoom it, look at the questions, and I need to see how you moved your decimal and everything. This is your name and page number 3. Please make sure you put your name and the assignment on all the pictures you take, so I know it is your work, name and assignment to all the pictures you take, so I can give it a grade. I want to make sure it is your work, and uh, I will be taking off points if you do not put uh, your name and the assignment. This work is not completed, as you can see. There's some missing questions, so I gave it a 7. So this is the way I can check your work and look at everything you did, so I can assign a grade, right? So this is the way it looks for me. It says this person already turned it in. She got 7 out of 10, and as far as I'm concerned, if you finish the assignment, you complete the assignment, you can turn it in again and submit it and send me a message telling me that you completed the assignment so I can give you the full points. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.